Welcome back everyone, this is Birds Whispers with a brand new video. And yes, it has been raining. The humidity in the air has increased drastically because of the second consecutive day of rain, but our chicks and eggs are doing well, though not all of them. We'll see. Three or four of our pairs have been breeding this season with their chicks coming along nicely. He's feeling drowsy for sure, while others are just shying away from the camera. So this has become a single mother. I have separated its father and paired it up with another female. She's quite happy though, maybe because of the weather. This pair had laid 2 eggs, but the female sitting on right is just plainly refusing to incubate them. But this pair of Decino and Crimino has done fantastic. They have laid 4 eggs, 3 of those hatched. And all the chicks have been doing pretty well. You see additional egg that I kept from another pair. And this our super pair of pale fellow visual into split. Mom's was inside, she just came out. Now this is their second clutch, and this could see some problems because 2 days ago humidity was lower, weather was dry, and now again because of the rain the humidity has increased. So these sudden changes in humidity usually affect the fertility of the eggs. And may lead to dead in shell. This pair didn't see much, but produced 1 chick at least. I'm happy for them. He's a one healthy chick coming along nicely, and I'm expecting it to be an opline. Because the mother is a visual opline. About father, it's a possible split opline, I'm not sure though. He's a cute little fellow, getting full attention of its parents in the absence of other siblings. This is a newly paired up couple, and they have started breeding in fact. Haven't produced any egg yet, but if these do, the male is visual pale fellow opline and the female is not pale fellow but it's an opline. This female is pretty excited, obviously because of the weather effects, though she's still alone. And some of the budgies, I've kept the males and females in separate cages because I myself am building another separate cage for a group colony of budgies. So they'll soon be pairing up as per their wishes and will definitely be producing some great chicks. This pair has started laying, and the one you see on the right is a chick from its previous clutch. He's still young. The father is sitting on the left. The mom's still inside taking care of the eggs, while father is always worried about ensuring she's well fed. And these are a few of the chicks of this season. Once the chicks grow up and start getting covered with feathers, they usually survive the weather effects. But the younger ones are more likely to be affected by changes in humidity levels. He's the youngest one. Unfortunately, the ignored one in terms of being fed by its parents. But he's doing well now. But all wasn't well. This season we had some infertile eggs from different pairs. These are just a few of them. Obviously I had more. But birds are on to their next clutch again, and I'm just hoping they'll produce well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel, do like and share my videos, and I'll see you in the next video.